Thank you for watching Ebony Ladies in the DR. I'm your host, Bridget. Bienvenidos a mi canal. So it is time for a little bit of Spanish, everybody. And one of my neighbors have been tuning in to my Spanish lessons, and they want to know why am I not teaching colors and how to count and, all of those things. And so I said in Spanish, I'm a little proud of myself, y'all. I said, aprende un idioma no siempre tiene que lo básico. Aprende un idioma no siempre tiene que empezar con lo básico. So what I wanted to say to her, learning a language, you don't always have to start with the basics, because I am learning Spanish as I'm living, in a foreign country that speaks Spanish. So we don't always start with the basics. Everything's not always going to go the way we want them to go in that order. So we're going to get a little bit of Spanish each day. So that's the sentence for today. It's a long sentence. I'm going to try to say it one more time, y'all. So bear with me. Aprende un idioma no siempre tiene que empezar con lo básico. So I said, learn a language doesn't always have to start with the basics. All right, so that's our Spanish lesson for today. So tomorrow, I will give y'all some colors. If y'all want to learn some colors and some numbers, then we'll regress and go backwards and learn some basic things. Okay, I hope that pleases everybody. We are all over the place once again. Thank y'all for watching Ebony Ladies in the DR. Regular episodes every Thursday, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today is Thursday, so you have a treat. You have a full episode tonight. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share, and turn on your notification bell. Have a good day, everybody. I appreciate you.